Greeting class. In this tutorial, I would like to demonstrate how we can create a member class function and how we can use it in an int main function and to call to accomplish a task. So with that said, let's go ahead and create a new project. And we're going to be using Win32 console application. And we're going to call this class how to create a member class function. Click OK. Click Next, empty project, finish. Next, we're going to highlight the source file. When we're going to get that, click on new item, and we're going to select C++ file. I call this member function. Now we have our editor. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and include the library, our library, IOStream. This is our preprocessor directive. Next, we're going to be using standard cout, standard output stream. Then we're going to have using standard end of line stream. Next, we're gonna create our class. We're gonna call it class student grade. Okay, open bracket. We're gonna be using the public access specifier colon, and here we're gonna create a void member function, and we're gonna name it display. Close parentheses, open bracket, close bracket, and within the bracket we're gonna print statement. So in this case, let's say end of line cout. We're gonna say welcome to class creating program. Close that. End of line access. End of line. Format it a little bit. Go next line. In this case, we want to print the same thing, so we're just going to highlight this, copy it, and we're going to click on paste. Now we completed our class member function. We're going to close our end of the class bracket. Next, we have to call this class within our main function. So let's go ahead and create our main function, which is necessary for the compiler, and you have to have it. And here we're going to create, in order to call the member function of a class, we have to create an object of it. So in this case, student grade. And we're going to call it my grade. So here, actually, we're creating an object of the class, and that's called my grade. Then I'm going to use the my grade object, and I'm going to call the display member function. And I'm going to close the bracket, semicolon. So let's go ahead and recap. So in this program, basically, first thing we did is that we included our library called IOStream. In this our preprocessor directive, it's called. And this in the next line we declare our output stream, cout, and end of the line stream. Next, we create a class. When we need to create a class, you have to specify class and name and open bracket, and we use the public access specifier, and after that we created our member function. This is our member function. Basically, it's a void function that just the only thing it does is just print the information on the screen. So we close bracket and close bracket to close the class. Now, in order to call this member function, we had to create a object of the class. We call it migrate, and then we use the migrate to call its function. So in this case, we're going to declare multiple objects of this: migrate 1, migrate 2, migrate 3, and so forth, so on and so forth. So the point was to show you how to create a class, how to create a member function, and how to use it within the main program to call it. So let's go ahead and run this one. Control F5. Here we go. So our program run. So you can use the same concept, and we could have gone and add additional member function here as we please. But for the sake of argument and demonstration, we just added one member function, and to show you how it was used within the main function. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.